Understanding Magnetic Conductor, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept: magnetic conductor. This term might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're a science enthusiast or just curious about new English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive in and demystify this interesting term. Magnetic refers to anything related to magnets or magnetism. Magnetism is a force that attracts certain metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt. When something is magnetic, it has the ability to attract or be attracted by a magnet. This property plays a crucial role in various technologies and natural phenomena around us. Understanding the concept of magnetism is key to grasping the idea of a magnetic conductor. A conductor is a material that allows electricity to flow through it easily. Conductors are essential in electrical circuits, enabling the transfer of electric current from one point to another. Common conductors include metals such as copper and aluminum. The idea of conductivity extends beyond electricity to include heat and other forms of energy. Now, let's combine these concepts to understand what a magnetic conductor is. A magnetic conductor is not a term commonly used in everyday English or even in basic scientific discussions. It might be a misunderstanding or a mix-up of terms. Generally, materials are classified as either magnetic, attracting iron and other materials, or conductive, allowing the flow of electrical current. However, some materials can exhibit both properties, being both magnetic and conductive, such as iron. In the context of learning English, it's important to clarify the intended meaning when encountering terms like this. Understanding the properties of magnetic and conductive materials has practical applications in everyday life. From the smartphones in our pockets to the cars we drive, these principles are at work. For example, electric motors rely on both magnetic and conductive materials to convert electrical energy into mechanical motion. This section helps illustrate how the concepts we've discussed are applied in real-world scenarios, making the learning process more relatable and engaging. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of magnetic conductor for you. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but understanding the ideas behind them. By exploring terms like magnetic and conductor, you're not only expanding your English vocabulary but also your knowledge of the world. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!